My name's Aashi and I'm in 10th grade. And I'll be doing a simple calculator and a story generator. Can you see my screen?
Yes, all good.
Okay. So a simple calculator is where the user chooses from the 4 operations given: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division as 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. So after they've chosen their operation, the user enters their choices for the 2 numbers. And if they have chosen operation 1, that is addition, the 2 numbers are added. If they've chosen option 2, or subtraction, the second number is subtracted from the first. If they've chosen multiplication, the product of the 2 numbers are given. And if they've chosen division, the first number is divided by the second. If any other character is entered when the user has to enter the operation, it will say that it's not possible. So this is the code. I'll run it. So say I'm choosing the third option, that is multiplication, and I enter for the first number, I enter 5, and the second number, I enter 4. The answer is given as 20. For the story generator, a random function is important, and that function chooses any option from a given range of or a list or anything. So for the story generator, in the code, options for the time, place, person, exact location, and incident are given. And when it is chosen, a story will be printed out with connecting words with the random choices. So as you can see over here, for the time, person, name, what it is, the residence, what happened, the options are given. And with the random choice function, from this list, from each list, a random option will be selected. And when you run this, the story will be printed. So from here, it says a long time ago, from when a cat, that is who, lived in India, went to school and found a secret key, from each of the options respectively. That's it. Thank you.